This is a 2014 Toyota 4Runner Limited, white over beige leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, push button start, electronic climate control, aux in for your iPod, heated seats, CD player, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, backup camera. There's a look at the storage behind the rear seat. The rear seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Bradenton, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.